know that somebody had promised to give me a new iPad earlier in the year, and then he later said that it will be at the end of the year when he gets his bonus. And now he tells me that he didn't achieve his performance target and didn't get his bonus, so no iPad for me. So I'd like to do some fundraising to get a new iPad, because the iPad that I use now is 7 years old, and every few months I have to send it for repair. It's really on its last legs. So I'm going to put my account number here, and if you can transfer whatever you can afford, that would be a great help. Now if we have 11,300 subscribers and each subscriber donated RM1, then I could get the iPad. I have to get one with the high specs, the 2 terabytes of memory, because making these videos is quite memory intensive, and I want to future proof it so that it could last me another 7 years. If I get one with small memory, it will cause no end of issues for me. Okay, so if you can do that, and once I raise funds to get a new iPad,